What's up, my name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Today's footwork move we're going to work on is my version of an 8-step. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so today's video, you will need to understand the 6-step and also your fake out hook. So if you don't know how to do those, be sure to check out my videos I did on those before coming to this one. Alright, so my version of the 8-step, we will be using 2 fake out hooks, one in the front and then one in the back. So starting with my 6-step going counterclockwise, I'm going to start with my basic sweep here. From here, I'm going to do my fake out hook. So this is my first hook, fake it out. From here, step back, step back. So basically, I'm trying to get to the back of my 6-step using a fake out hook. So let's try that again. I'm going 1, fake it out, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from here, this is where I'm gonna add the back fake out hook. So I'm gonna go out, and then from here, I'm actually gonna hit that behind cross here. So I'm gonna step over with my right, and then I'm gonna hook it in, and now come back out. So again, trying to get to the front of my 6-step. Okay, so I'm here, I'm going front. Now instead of hooking it already, I'm going fake out, and I come in, hook it, and then I'm gonna go all the way back. So let's put it together. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so once you have the counterclockwise direction, let's try going clockwise. So starting my left, I'm going left. So this is where my fake out hook comes in, go behind, and then for this one, just to make it cleaner, I'm really trying to almost create this figure 4 with my legs. Step out, and then come to the back. So again, try and get to the back, just adding that fake out hook. So I'm going hook, fake it out, back, back. Now, I'm gonna do the fake out hook from the back here. So I'm going to step, again, trying to hit that figure 4, sweep, and then come back. Okay, so try it again. Here, out, figure 4, hook, around. Let's try to go all the way around. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so once you have that down, let's try to go back and forth. So the only thing I'm gonna do to switch my direction is right when I tap back to the front, I'm gonna start reversing it to the other side. So start with my right leg. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell so you're always notified when I drop tutorials just like this. Alright, so key takeaways for today's footwork movement. We're really trying to use that fake out hook to add a couple more steps to our 6-step. So all the technique from the 6-step still applies. And also our fake out hook, I'm also trying to create a good shape with that figure 4 before moving on into the next step. Alright, so I would love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video of yourself and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong. I'll be sure to give you props and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video right now and also comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!